In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Edge Secure Network encountered an error message using two simple steps that solve the problem for many users. This is a quick and easy troubleshooting guide, and if it helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is update Microsoft Edge to the latest version. An outdated browser can cause all kinds of issues, including secure network errors, connection problems, and features not loading properly. To check for updates, open Microsoft Edge and look at the top right corner of the browser. Click the three-dot menu, then go down to Settings. Inside Settings, look for the About Microsoft Edge section. You can usually find it in the left-hand menu. Once you open that page, Edge will automatically start checking for updates. If an update is available, let it download and install completely. In some cases, the browser may need to restart to finish the update. Make sure you allow that restart because the fix may not work unless Edge is fully up to date. After the browser reopens, try Secure Network again and see if the error is gone. For many users, simply updating Edge resolves the issue right away. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to clear your cookies and cache. Over time, stored browser data can become corrupted or outdated, and that can interfere with Edge features, including Secure Network. Clearing that data gives the browser a fresh start and often removes the conflict causing the error. To do this quickly, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window in Microsoft Edge. Once that window appears, make sure the time range is set correctly. If you want the most thorough cleanup, choose All Time. Then look for cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Select both of those options so Edge clears the stored files that may be causing the problem. Before you click Clear, double-check that you're only removing the data you want to reset. If you clear cookies, you may be signed out of websites, so keep that in mind. Once you're ready, click Clear Now and let the browser finish the process. After that, restart Microsoft Edge and test Secure Network again. In many cases, updating the browser and clearing the cookies and cache is enough to fix the Microsoft Edge Secure Network encountered an error message. If the issue is still there after that, it may be related to a temporary network problem, an extension conflict, or a system setting. But these two steps are the best place to start. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.